Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make creamy pasta. To begin, select a good quality pasta like spaghetti or fettuccine. About 8 ounces is perfect for 2 servings. You will also need 1 cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and about 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Don't forget a couple of cloves of minced garlic and a generous pinch of black pepper. Crucially, save at least 1 cup of the starchy water after cooking your pasta. Now, let's craft that luscious sauce. Start by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Add 2 minced garlic cloves and sauté them for about 30 seconds, just until they become fragrant and not browned. Next, pour in 1 cup of rich heavy cream and bring it to a gentle simmer, allowing it to thicken slightly. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese until it completely melts into a smooth, cohesive sauce. Achieving that perfect creamy texture is all about technique. Once your pasta is al dente, transfer it directly into the simmering cream sauce. Now, this is key. Gradually add your reserved pasta water, about 1/4 cup at a time, while continuously tossing the pasta. The starch in the pasta water is a magical ingredient. It helps to emulsify the sauce, binding it beautifully to every strand of pasta, creating that incredibly smooth and luxurious coating we all desire. For the grand finale, season your creamy pasta with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. A final flourish of extra grated Parmesan cheese and some fresh herbs like chopped parsley or basil adds both flavor and visual appeal. Remember, creamy pasta is best enjoyed immediately, right off the stove, while it's still warm and wonderfully luscious. Now, go ahead and savor your perfectly crafted, restaurant-quality creamy pasta dish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.